Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to fix your TikTok draft video problem. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on in our channel because we post content like this, and to get notified for future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on. So let's start today's video. So first let me create a draft video over here. So if you guys don't know how to create a draft video, then you can just follow these process. Click on the plus icon at the bottom. Now if you want to record a video, you can hit on the red button, or you can just click on upload. I'm going to upload this video over here. I'm going to press next. I'm going to press next. I'm going to press next. Now instead of posting, I'm going to save it to drafts. And the video has been saved in draft. So once you save a video in draft, then it's going to pop out in a profile like this, draft video. So I'm going to click on draft videos. So basically, if you're having problem with draft videos, then remember that this video is not stored in TikTok's server right now. These draft videos are stored in your mobile phone. So if there's some problem with this video, then remember that the video is not available in your phone, or like the video cannot be accessed from TikTok anymore in your phone. So that could be one problem, and the way to fix this is you can just click on this video in draft and then click on back. Like instead of posting, click on back, because if you're having problem with this video, then you cannot post it probably. So click on the back button, which is at the top left corner. Now from here you can edit the video again. Like you can edit the video, like add voice, music, sound effect, anything, and then press on next, and then boom, you can post it again. Now remember, if you delete this video from your phone, then there's no way you can post the video again. But if the video is on your phone and there is some technical issue, then you can do this step to post this video again or save this in your drafts again. So yeah, remember, if the video is deleted from your phone, then there's no way to fix this problem. But if the video is not deleted from your phone, then you can do this step which I just did to solve the problem. Now if you want to post it, then you can click on post, and if you want to save it on draft, you can save it on draft. So I don't want to post it right now, so I'm going to click on draft again. So the video is saved in my draft again. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video I should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.